everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And now we will have our unboxing try on haul. I will show you guys. This is from Shein. So finally, finally I got my order from Shein. I wait so I'm waiting so long. I'm waiting so long. I think it's two weeks ago. So my order arrived 2 weeks ago. So this is from Shein. So we will have three items here. Three items. So let me. Before we continue our vlog, let me first introduce my simple channel. And anyway, this is me, real Filipina beauty. So I'm not pretty anyway, just simple. Okay, so I will show you my dress. This is my dress, guys. Yeah. So by the anyway, let's open the first item, and don't forget to follow my channel if you're new here. So first this is all red items, guys. This is all red items. So we have three items from Shein. So first is this is a mini skirt. This one size large. So I choose large because you know already I'm fatty. I'm big now. I'm big. I am big. Look. So I choose large. So I think this is fit on me. So yeah, it's so nice. And the next one, guys, is this one. We have, this is a pantyhose. Pantyhose. Stocking. So, yeah. The color is, this is dark red, right? I don't know, just the color is dark red. This is a maroon color. Maroon, yeah. So let's try. I choose this one. I think this is a large size. Yeah. So this is look. So yeah. I know, guys, you're excited to see to wear this one. So, and the last is charan. This is the exciting items. The last is this is a very nice look. This is underwear, guys. Zipper underwear. Look, this is a red color. Yeah, so I love it anyway. I love it. Look, so nice, right? Very nice. Okay, so this is zipper underwear, guys. So yeah, and just I try to buy this one. So look, this is also easy to open. ready to fight. It's so funny, guys. Just telling, just it's funny. So this is our vlog. I hope, guys, you love my content, and just comment down below if you have any suggestion, if you have any request. So hold on everyone, let's try more. And now guys, so look at the pantyhose. So nice. Yeah. And the skirt is so nice also. And yep, very nice. So look like I forgot anyway, I forgot my um to bring my t-shirt. So it's so nice guys. Look. Nice. Thank you for watching.